2002 Jaguar Xtype 3.0 V6. Changing the spark plugs. It's pretty simple. You remove the air box for the front three, and you undo this bolt here, remove it, then pull the coil straight off. Then you can put your spark plug wrench in. So you move on to the next one, and then to cylinder number 6 you do the same. And this is what it looks like with the manifold removed. And here's another coil. Here's your another one, and then the last one on the driver's side. You can see. Here's what the coils look like when they're removed. You just have to undo a couple sensors back there and remove the wiring harness, and this is where those sensors attach. And you have to undo the EGR valve and disconnect the air box, obviously, and these vacuum lines. And then other than that, that's pretty simple. And while you're at it, clean up the engine. And also, I forgot to mention, here's where you undo the manifold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6 holes. 6 bolts.